Be a tourist in there, so. Oh, come to another bag with it. Oh, she. What's your name, mommy? Yeah. Right now, we're being. Yes, me. You vlog right now, we're being rich and I'll go and chill out. So, I'll go and look food. It's good? Which way you want to go? Want to go beach? You want to go Kingston a while ago? They don't know, mommy. First him say want to Kingston and then say want to go beach. Yo, boy, we can't watch you that style either. See how beach ball and blow over.
Tomorrow. What's up, guys? Good morning. It's your boy Tata here. So, it's been a long while since you see me. I speak to the last time, yo, I just come in, smash right, drop a sleep right and stuff, and now wake up back until I'm morning right now. Yeah. So, well, I go up on the road and leave ice, so we see what go on. Yeah. It's raining. Yes, I'm drink all up in there. Jellies. So yeah, then come here. Still want to go back to Kingston?
Yes.
Why? Not enjoying yourself?
Yes.
So what kind of slippers does you have on? Let me see them. Coach. Here you go. Hey, Gucci slippers.
Few inches later.
Just got some bad news, guys. It was just a one-night thing. Got to go. Baby, your face, your mask. Wait. Backside, it looks so real. Oh. Like a Rasta. I'm a musician.
Few inches later.
See the married? Happy anniversary to my mother who's eating a patty on her anniversary day. I didn't want to piece SpongeBob.
Eventually.
So get my mom this keychain right here for her anniversary. This is $15 US. Come to $120. Yeah, set down there for me. So what you buy it then?
Huh?
What? You see anything?
Just this?
Yeah.
I'm going to have a big bag. Well, you just remember that today's I had
Come, bro. Thank you very much, okay? No matter anniversary.
Okay.
Come. Yeah, give her a small gift.
You know, some of them eat your curry though.
Thank you. Come. Yeah, give mommy eat and I'm going to tell her happy anniversary. Okay? You that? You that? What is?
Happy anniversary.
I love it. Thank you.
I want something.
Huh?
I want something. I want something.
Where did SpongeBob?
SpongeBob by Essa. You tell me come to your anniversary, but come give a black bag. Oh, but you can't style that by you. You can't just come give me a black bag every day.
What the show is this? Yes, sir, Jamaica. Oh yes, I love it. These are my two boys. This is Terry. This is Bonnie. Aiden, come here.
What? So on the beach. You should come beach for your anniversary, yeah. Eden, ready for it, Eden? Yeah, we're going to swim in a chair. Come give me a bro. No shirt and be a thing. You understand? Take a look at the beach. Yeah. Wait now. Why you fight it? Everything take time. You know the man say, take a little time. The big house there, man.
Some house there. Yeah. Okay then.
Yeah, baby, yeah. You afraid of the water?
I don't want yours.
Yeah. So me see a one white here, say, see me? One alone. Some blacky there. Yeah. I'm just scared of the place, you know. What you do, man? What you call that? Wait. Mommy, don't let him go. Don't let him go. My little brother can't swim and I can't swim.
Wait, no, you have to stay right yourself.
Imagine a little, how much? 5 or 6? 5-year-old can swim. Big old teenager can't swim. Watch, man. He might go for the wave. And me can't do that. What is? Come here, yeah. I want to the beach.
No, don't tell me to come to the water. I can't manage it to come to the water. You don't want to come to the water.
Which yeah. Put them there drugs same way. Hey, they stop now. Yo, the body said dive after. If you say, are you better than me? Look at that baby floating. Yeah. Some people that was a bomb change back in my clothes. I left the beach real early because I go back to Kingston, I understand. But damn, water they feel nice. No man used to this command and got Elsha, because Elsha alone there. Close. Now I go them place there. So I keep down there still. I see the road pick them come on beach now. They come up here, so they left the beach where they saw and then come up here so. And go in the back of the bush and I say go smash. You see me? Look feel over there. Yeah, over there go smash. Right over there so. What me a pray is, come here pray. People will live on the hill, they have them hill for themselves, you know. Watch out, 1, 2, 3 hill, 3 houses on the hill. 4. You see me? They have to wear the hill for themselves, you know. They such a put like to build a new one. When they keep look up in the hill, a big house up there. Oh, more going for someone going for so look here. People have the hill for themselves. They have build road for themselves to go up on them hill. For them hill like alone. They fight for live in that hill at Kingston. Like if this is a big deal. Yo, we don't know life you need to come on the coast. So you got what you want today then? Huh? You went to the beach, alright now?
You can't satisfy.
You not happy yet? Alright, look, you're going back to Kingston now, you happy?
You can't satisfy.
Can't get that now.
Full day at the beach.
Full day at the beach. You can't. Better than me still.
Yeah, we'll pull up in our food place right now. We'll buy some drinks and Doritos. Doritos, yeah, pass Doritos aisle, brother. Doritos are left on the aisle. So get Doritos. Drinks. Okay,
What we do here is go back.
so hey guys, just a reach in right now. We'll come and carry the ship to look for one car still. That's the end of the vlog, guys, see me? Uncle soon to be car. Anyways, peace out, subscribe for more. Happy anniversary to my mother, Sarah, yesterday. Yeah. So bless up with everybody. Out.